Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here I am Dr. Mehwish, chemistry lecturer of Olevels and A-levels in Army Public College, Chalkut, Kent. Today I'm back with a new topic, that is electrolysis of molten lead bromide. Lead stands for Pb and bromide means Pr2. So before going forward, let's discuss what would be the content of the slideshow. It consists of introduction, then instrumentation, then working of the electrodes, then key points, then discharge series of the ions, and at the end summary and important questions for Cambridge point of view. So today our topic is electrolysis of molten lead bromide. We have already discussed in the previous slideshow what is the meaning of the term electrolysis, how electrolysis takes place, what is the meaning of the term molten and aqueous solutions. So first of all, the recapping session. What is the meaning of the term molten or aqueous? Molten means infused form, aqueous means the solution would be water. While what is electrolysis? The breakdown of any ionic compound in aqueous state due to the breakdown of or passage of electrons. Next is, what is electrolyte? The ionic compound is called electrolyte when it can conduct electricity in aqueous or molten state. So what we will learn in this lesson, the electrolysis of molten and aqueous ionic compounds. Now what's next? It is the instrumentation session. The instrument consists of 2 carbon electrodes and molten lead bromide electrolyte solution being present in the porcelain crucible. And the next one is a battery and a wire which is being connected to the 2 electrodes which are ultimately connected to the molten lead bromide solution. Then the heating source in clay triangle. Next is, what are the 2 electrodes? Anode and cathode. Anode is the electrode towards anions will be attracted. Cathode is the electrode towards cations will be attracted. What will happen at the cathode? Lead is a metal. Metals are always cations. They have ability to gain electrons. So lead will gain 2 electrons because its valency is +2. Ability to accept electrons is +2. So that's why reduction takes place at the cathode and lead will reduce itself by gaining 2 electrons. After the gain of electron, it will deposit at the bottom of the crucible in the form of molten globules or molten solid deposits at the bottom. As we know that oxidation takes place at anode. So bromide ions that are anions will lose their electrons at the anode to follow oxidation. What we'll see Obviously, oxidation reaction is the reaction where electrons are being lost. So loss of electron is called oxidation. So choose the appropriate equation in which loss of electrons takes place. Question number 2 is Electrode's reactions are given below. Assign which one is reduction reaction. As reduction is gain of electron. So gain of electron is being done by cations. So answer the questions, question number 1 and question number 2 in the comment box. That was all about today's lecture. For any query or suggestion, do contact with me. Allah Hafiz.